And we are live. Okay. So, excuse me. This is a hmm, well, 'cause that's not happening. This is a little practice board. I already filled in 2 rows, but just popping on the stream. Gonna try teaching so that everyone can correct me, tell me what I'm doing wrong, 'cause I like teaching. So, yeah. I need to do the solder paste for this. Just right here. So when you're applying solder paste, again, all right, hang on. So I'm gonna be, I don't know, I'm just gonna try teaching, even though I know that I'm wrong, because I've only started this stuff like, I don't know, not that long ago. But I like teaching. I don't know. Okay. Sticking like that. Should be enough. That was definitely too much. Change steal it. So, pretty sure a lot goes a long way. I'm probably using too much. I haven't done this enough to know for sure. Almost there. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna resistors. Start popping them in. Don't worry about that lining up because physics will fix it. As I do it anyways, because I'm OCD. No, upside down. She can go either way, I think. I think I just saw metal contacts on both sides. I should be doing this many at once. I feel like it might blow away. But I guess I'm about to see. Okay. Let's switch the camera. Well, no. Let me hold it down with this. That's not a good spot. I need to do somewhere there's not solder, like right there. Right here. Okay. Ooh, maybe not using a metal tool. Tweezers, maybe. You know what? I should get to just send it. Yep. For the most part. Probably a few stragglers I'll have to go fix. Alright, yeah, so let's see. before it remelts. You in, you in. You're all good. Oh, you're probably solidified already. Not quite. No. That was bad. Going to redo that and that. Alright. Blast it. That's much better, and that's much better. Okay, cool. Those are all done. Um, how do I... Oh, hey, 4 viewers. Hello, people viewing. Didn't know. Wow. Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to see if I can put up a chat. No, maybe not. That's okay. No one's chatting, right? No, no chats. Okay. Are these all good? Let's check them. Yep, 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 yep. Good. Alright, those are all good. And then what's next? Let's see. Okay. It's gonna focus. Hmm. Alright, there we go. Still can't really read it though, huh? Well, that's okay. I can read it. Okay, so we just did all that. What is this autofocus? Pixel? Google Pixel? Flip and a flip. Oh, okay, let's try this again. Alright, we need R34 to R47, and it's 16 resistors, not with these. No, that's too small, right? Right. This really isn't helpful. This is like the worst manual I've seen. And of course, it's like here. I don't even know. So, like, what is this? Chip resistor, random model, tells you there's 14 of them. R1 to R12, which, by the way, isn't on, oh, isn't on the schematic at all. It starts at R48 here. So it's like, what? But it just says the encapsulation number and then what it goes to. And just the counts. And then it has these, I mean, I guess, what do you get? Amazon, but, Oh, you have this camera. Oh, this way. Just shows this. Like, that's not very helpful, and a lot of them, and even 3 wasn't right. Like, I don't know. This is stupid. I can't wait to do the next one. Um, okay, let's see. So I need 16 resistors. This is serial 4. So it's supposed to look like this. 1, 2, however many. So it's probably... Is it these tiny ones? No. Tiny ones are 6. So I'm looking for how many? 16 resistors. I don't see 16. Oh wait, right here, huh? Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, cool. So let's switch back. Bring the scope on over. Oh wait, where am I putting these? Hello, 5 people. Pretty cool. Did someone say hello? I feel so lonely. Um, uh, I did do R13, yeah, R13, R24, and R34 to R47. R34. Oh, here we go. Get this open. Can. Come on. Oh my god, why is this so difficult? Alright, that's enough for the tweezers. Oh, wait, I don't need to open this until I... Okay, first off, this is wrong. So, here we go. Killer. Okay. Um, realized I left my hot air on that whole time. So, grabbing the solder paste and applying it to... Whoa. I need to get a rag. Um, okay. So, we got our solder paste. We have R34, just a smidge, just a smidge. Yes, I know I have shaky hands, but this is just proof that you can have shaky hands and still do this crap. See, it's easy. I don't know why people are so scared of this. Well, I was for the longest time. And then I realized, like, it's actually pretty easy once you get a hang of it. Now, this is the easiest part, starting from a plain board with nothing on it. It's definitely, um, like, I don't know, just the easiest because you don't have to take anything off, clean it, all that stuff. I did buy a broken Macintosh board that I'll be fixing. So we'll see what kind of shenanigans needs to be done for that. So you really don't need a lot because these are tiny ass components. And the great thing about this is it melts at such a low heat that it makes it so much simpler to work with. Okay. So let me like a good inventory sheet would have said this number on it. 224. Wait. Why is that? Guessing there's gonna be two extras. Okay. Flip it. Okay. That was kind of stupid, but I think it sort of worked. Okay, so we have this, and then we have file. So let's get this moved over one by one. Oh, dude, I'm just seeing that there was a chat from Dawn. Can you turn up the volume? Yeah, let me turn up my volume. Uh, oh, it's already up as much as it can be, but I think it's probably bad because I have a fume extractor. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, and I'm from California. Nice, thanks for tuning in, man. Appreciate it. Hope you're still here. I can't believe I missed that comment. Okay. All right. Come on. Man, I can't. It's flipping. Flipping all over. This. Here we go. Are you kidding me? Is my face super washed out? Whatever. It doesn't matter. Yeah, my hand's getting shaky. I will say it's definitely before I wasn't using elbow support. It's definitely imperative to use elbow support because that makes it a lot easier to stay a little less. What's the word? Jumpy? Not jumpy. Shaky. Yeah. I don't even know what I'm talking about now. I'm a pretty awkward guy, so hopefully someone finds enjoyment with my stupid commentary. I'm really just trying to show people that like this shit's easy, dog. Like one, the equipment is way cheaper than it used to be. When I first started wanting to do this, it was probably like 10 years ago when I saw Louis Rossman. Was it 10 years ago? How old am I? Almost. That's crazy. Anyways, scope was like $300-400. My scope was like 60. It's a damn good scope. I can't pick this damn thing up. Um, I have not done it with a soldering iron yet. I've just been using hot air. And then what? And yes, I'm using a microscope. I don't know what microscope. It's just one from Amazon. Uh, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Perfect. And oh, the shakes. Oh, that was a bad one. I was just gonna, I was just gonna stop myself and be like, let me get these in first and make sure they don't blow away. But then I realized there's only three left, so I don't think there's really a point to that. Oh, ooh, man, this shit's hard. Okay, that should just fall in place. Should. Keyword there. Okay. Alright. Turn the air on. And see, look at those all falling into place. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, except you, but maybe I can. Boom. That's right. I'm getting skills, baby. Damn, I think those are all good. Okay. Oh, this is why you check. This one too? Oh wait, are you still drying? No way, right? No. Don't know how that happened. That's pretty weird, because it's, see how it's like on the ends still, but like it didn't rip the pad off, but the solder's on it. I guess maybe it melted the solder on the thing, but not the pad. I don't know. Ooh, did not mean to bump that. Kind of helped though. Except I forgot which one it was at. Oh god. One of these. Oh no, I don't want to just go blasting. So yeah, you're the culprit. Okay. What's this little solder ball doing? What's he doing, mate? Let's put you over here. Okay, then if that dries, it should be good. Nope, it's not dry. Nope. God, I just need to be patient. I just need to be patient. Yay, there we go. Okay. So those are all done. It's actually almost done. Huh, neato. Okay, so next up is 16 capacitors. It's gonna be these. That's easy enough. Hmm. Those are the only capacitors left, right? Why do I think I fucked up somewhere? Why do I have... Hmm. Oh, okay. There's... What am I making? I honestly have no idea. I got some random kit off Amazon to practice stuff. Um, Wait. This is SMD's soldering practice board kit. DIY lucky running water lamp. It's China translated, so I don't think that's actually what let's see. Let's read it. I actually have no idea what it is. I just kind of started soldering it. But yeah, let's see. In order to improve the soldering skill level of students majoring in electronics and electronic enthusiasts, referring to the packaging types of SMD components in the electronic product assembly and debugging skills competition of vocational colleges. That was just so much filler nonsense. The SMD soldering practice board is specially designed to improve the soldering level and speed. I guess the skill. Um Board size, board material, board design. The board design is reasonable. The use of SMD components are commonly used. The left and right three columns of components are used to practice soldering. The left and right three columns. Okay, shouldn't the whole thing be for practicing soldering? I don't know. Okay, each column has test points. Oh, neato. Does it tell you how to use those? No, of course not. Um, oh wait, here we go. The circuit in the middle circle is the water lamp circuit, which is composed of blah 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 light emitting diodes. It can work after soldering. Back of the circuit is also used. There's a ruler. That's actually pretty neat. Okay, so there's a ruler. Just convenient. Okay, yeah, pretty much it just says 3 to 12 volts, and it's a running water lamp. I don't know what a water lamp is, but here's the schematic that they provide, which is absolute dog. Like, it starts at R48. But I don't know, dude. I don't know. I should just, I don't know. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm live. I'm live. Okay. Capacitors. So next up is the capacitors that I already grabbed. I got sidetracked there. So we got our solder paste, and let's go to town. Yeah, thank you. I do have I got more. This isn't my only practice board. I have a big one that's gonna take like hours to do, I think. That I might take. The magnifying camera, it was maybe like $80 USD. Maybe 60? I don't remember. I'll have to find the Amazon link. But if I remember, I'll add it to my description. Dave Jones. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get it without the soldering iron, but I'm not sure yet. I like the hot air because it's so easy. Makes things so simple. Hope this works. My luck, that's not gonna work, guys. It ain't gonna work. Okay. How long have I been working with electronics? With electronics since I was like the first time I picked up a soldering iron and actually took something apart was the PS3 Fat Boy when I was maybe 12, I think. And then I couldn't fix the PlayStation, so I just left it and then never went to soldering again until about, well, actually here. I show you. This is pretty cool. I like to brag about it because I don't brag much in my life, actually literally at all, but this one I like to show off. Okay, so this, I guess I gotta move the camera. This is my computer. I um designed this whole board, designed well, see, I even designed it bad, of course. I had to do revisions on it. But yeah, this is what got me really back into electronics, like actually learning about it was maybe like a year ago. I don't even know. Ben Eater, he's a great electronics YouTuber. I just saw some of his stuff and went off. How long did it take me? Here's the thing. Everyone thinks it's so hard. I think that if you got a good teacher, you could literally pick it up in like a month or two. I was able to pick it up pretty quickly. Um, as long as you like get a good feel for it and know what you're doing and know what you're looking for, which is what I'm trying to do. I don't know how to teach. I don't know how to, I don't, I'm new to this still, technically, but like I'm just trying to share knowledge. I love to share knowledge. So I don't even know the point I was trying to make there. But yeah, let me put that away. And then let's get back to soldering. Okay. Microscope. Doo, doo, doo. All but two. And that actually, let's see, how can I do this? Oh, thanks. That's awesome to know that I was on your homepage. I hope you have a great night or day or whatever, and maybe come back. Hope you come back. Nice chatting with you. Really appreciate it. Oh no! They all fell out. Well, actually, it's okay because the capacitors can be flipped without much of a fuss. Yeah, they all fell out. They all fell out, but there they are. Da, da. Okay, so just drag and drop. Hey, you know what? I literally had a thing of paper towels. The good kind, the blue kind, what are they? Like the shop towels? The godly towels. Do I really not have? Dude, what happened? Okay. Try to clean it try and clean the tweezers with alcohol, because why is it sticking so much? Okay. That's not gonna stick. I knew it. Oh, that's it. I don't know. Not experienced enough to know. Does it need a touch? I think the solder will melt and join. I think that's how it works. Oh, shaky hands. Oh, oh. Also, to those still here, this was my Minecraft channel from when I was a kid. So go look at my old videos and you're confused. That would be why, because they're very old. And my username is just kind of iconic in my life. Like, friends call me S-Dog. So I just have to keep it. This is making me want to redesign my... Oh, shit. Ah! It's a good technique. Oh, oh, until that, until that, until that. Oh, it's a catastrophe. God damn. No, don't go up. Go down. This side now. Okay. Okay. My hand is getting tired. Do I work? Yeah, I do work tomorrow. So while I have, oh, 5 people. Wow. Well, hello everyone. While I have you, I am starting to stream like everything electronics, programming, technology related. Um, I love to share knowledge, and people think this stuff is so hard. And I've learned at my job that I have a way, apparently, I didn't know this. I have a way of explaining things to people to make it understandable once I'm able to actually process it. So my plan is to do live streams, and then eventually, whenever I have time, because I have a busy life, I'm a full-time student, I work full-time, I have a whole bunch of other stuff going on. Uh, Once I lost my train of thought, I have ADHD bad, and I'm unmedicated right now. Uh, oh yeah. Basically, just stick around. I'm trying to just teach, hang out, chill. I don't want the views. I just want a community. I just want 1 or 2 people to talk to, hang out while I do this stuff. It's fun, but it's not something that like my friends can come. Well, I don't really have. Let's not say that on a live stream. It's probably pretty obvious that you don't have friends anyways, though. Here you are, 8 o'clock on a Thursday. You're missing a capacitor. Oh God. But hey, this is what I love. I literally have wanted to do like I watched Louis Rossman as a kid all the time. Is this crooked? Has this been crooked the whole time? Oh no. That's gonna bug me. Let's not get the microscope in it. Okay. Let's go up a little more. Oh, not that far. God. Anyways, pretty much Louis Rossman's my whole what's the word? Inspiration. I was watching him as a kid, just literally for hours. And I was always like, how does he do this? How does he do this? This is how he does it, guys. It's easy. Way easier than you would think. And literally, I guarantee anyone can do this. You think you got shaky ass hands? I do. I just heard something go flying, and I think it was a capacitor. I think it was stuck on the tweezers. That's a good thing that they come with extras. That's not them though. Just make sure though. It's not around, right? Oh, yes it is. Ah. Alright, 26. On. Let go. Let go. Okay. Let me turn my air on. Let it heat up a little bit. And since solder paste melts at such a low temperature, you can kind of just blast it. But you don't want to blast a board that you're working on. Like you don't want to blast a board like this. That's not helpful. Anyways, let's blast it. Just kind of a linear motion here. And then they start melting. And then we get the... That's in, that's in, that's in, that's in, that's in, that's in. I love watching it melt. There's a few of them that are messed up, so let's see if I can fix that real quick before it solidifies. You might not have enough solder. You solidify, solidify, solidify. Nope, you're gonna need to be redone. Thanks, Dawn. I'm glad that I'm encouraging you. I hope that if you want to get into it and you want some help, you can like drop your Discord or something. I would love to teach. And thank you, Alexis. Yeah, come on. Okay. That one's messed up. This one was kind of sloppy. I don't know what happened. That's like the only good one. Okay, let me get this and the air. Okay, I think that's good. I think that might need more solder. Oh, or not. Uh, 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 uh. We're gonna burn it. Hang on. Definitely don't want to do heat that long. Okay, that's fine. That's fine-ish. That's not really fine. Oh, now it is. No, no. Okay. How did I learn all of this? Just off of YouTube. Isn't it great what YouTube can teach you? That's why I want to do it. Okay, in, not in. Ah! Don't do that on your hand. That's good, that's good, that's good. Hmm? I don't know if that's good. Blast it. This one I can't tell. Yes. That is, oh God. I guess this is when I would use a soldering iron, but I don't want to wait for it to heat up. Those are good now. Okay. I'm gonna give it like 30 seconds to cool and make sure they're all good. Try holding on one end with tweezers and touching the other end with soldering iron. Once. Uh, that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. Let me. Here. You, Sir Don. Smart man. Never used this tip before, but it came with a little micro soldering thingy. And I think that's actually going to work wonders. Let's see. How does that go? Oh, yeah. Oh, Dawn, you're a great man. Okay, perfect. All right, let me heat that up. And what do we need next? Next on the list. See, like, what is this? Oh, third column to the right. What? Oh, it's telling means to just fill this all in. But what are they? Chip capacitor or resistor? 16. Chip capacitor or resistor 16. Like what? Is it this? No, these are probably the 1K resistors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's not even anything that says 19. Um, hmm. Serial number 6. I guess I can maybe. It really is the tiny ones, huh? Oh yeah, I guess that's why it's tiny. But there's definitely not 16. They just give a bunch extra? No, it says there's only supposed to be 2 extra. Maybe I counted wrong. Okay. Let's crack this boy open. Let's get the microscope back up. Isn't it crazy how small this is? Like, I don't know, just compared to my nail. Like, that's, look, I got like, this little speck is almost as big as this. It's crazy. It's crazy because, oh, why can't I get this off? There we go. Ish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is there an easier way to open these? Oh, I don't like that. I can barely see that. Oh my god. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna try that with these. These actually might be too small, but if not these, then the next ones. Oh man. Can these like just chill? I'd really like it if they didn't blow up. Okay, there we go. Did not blow up. Just a couple. Nope, there goes more. And more. And more. And more. Oh my. Okay, I'm just dumping it all, I guess. Uh, it. They're so little. Oh, I don't even have the solder paste on. Why did I get these out? That's okay. Oh, they stick to the finger? My God. Okay. What was I doing? Okay, there we go. Okay, so show the one end with tweezers and touch. Alright, so I guess I need the solder iron to the left. Okay. Alright, Dawn, I'm trying. Oh my God, it's so small. That's probably too much solder. Okay, so get it in place with the right hand and then hold it with the left. Should be fine. Huh? That's great. That's great. Thank you, Dawn. I think that or is that a big ball? That's a big ball of solder in it. I know it doesn't matter, but oh, okay. That's good. That's a beautiful method. I'm gonna keep doing that. Let me. Okay, I should still line them all up first. Just gotta be careful with the paste. This is definitely the smallest I've done. And to make sure my method is still working, or Dawn's method. Thank you, Dawn. Um, mm, flip it. Uh, Man, that's hard. Ugh. My shaky hands. Oh, jeez, dude. See, what's my heart rate? Yeah, 114. Psh. Oh, you got them all for now. Okay. Now, pretty sure that's good. I know I should be using tweezers like you said, but this iron is just so, it's actually pretty damn good. Or I guess I mean the tip. Any iron can do this. It's gotta have the right tips. Yeah, those are all good. Okay. And then also, in case you're a viewer that doesn't know much, this is flux. This comes off with alcohol. I'll clean the board once it's done. Alright, let's continue. Let me wipe this off first with my non-existent wipe still. Ugh, I have a little sock. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. We'll see how that goes. However, we verified the method works. I do kind of like it better than the hot air, just because even though the hot air is faster, this get the joints verified as you go, and you don't have to worry about blowing the tiny ass components around. I never had a tip like that until like last week, so. But also, I didn't even think about doing it. So I just thought hot air. So thank you, Dawn. Mm, test point 6. I was like, what's this T6? Okay. Just for reference, that's how like that's how small these things are. It's crazy. It's crazy. Okay. I'm a total nerd, so I'll nerd out during my streams and probably embarrass myself, but I'm having fun. Having fun doing a hobby and hoping that other people can learn while I do it. That's like awesome. Uh, 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 uh. It's gonna be a risky one. Should kind of just fall to the pads though. as solder does. Wow. And go. Yeah. Oh, come on. Sorry, I'm trying to flip these damn things around. There we go. I will say too, I had one of those shitty microscopes that you get on Amazon that's like a desk stand, little tiny monitor one. I couldn't see shit. Like, I mean, I don't know, having a big monitor in front of me is 10 times better, is what I'm trying to say. Like, I couldn't, I had to look at both? I don't know, it's really hard to describe, but I can just look at the screen now and know exactly where I am. Oh, come on, little guy. Oh, come on. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Come on. One more. Why'd they give... Well, I see why they gave so many extras, because it's the tiniest one. Oh, I was gonna say, why didn't they document that, but their documentation wasn't the greatest to begin with. Here's our trusty solder iron. And let's get these puppies down. Wait for it. It should melt. It should melt. It should melt. It should melt right into place. No, it didn't. Now it did. Okay, shaky hands. Chill. Chill, shaky hands. Chill. Okay. I can't tell right there. Is that connected or is it just on top? Now that's connected. Hey man, I get that. It took me a while, but I mean honestly, what I did was I got a bunch of donor boards because I worked. I mean, heck, I'm not gonna get in trouble. I worked at Intel, and they were just throwing away a bunch of stuff. So I took some of that stuff and just absolutely destroyed it. Pretty much just practiced soldering and unsoldering from an actual board is way different than like a hobby board because the temperatures are way different and you have to actually heat the board and you have to actually make sure you don't ruin shit. Like burning a chip off or something like that. Or not off, but I guess up. Like overheating it. See, I can't tell. I can't tell for sure if that's like jointed or not. I don't know why I can't tell. I should be able to tell. That's jointed. I think it's so damn small. I also think it's because of the flux. But that's looking, excuse me, good. Okay, what's next? Up next, we have chip resistor 1K 17. And this goes R50. Okay. Well, I need to put the extra little bastards back in here, so that you guys can watch the full struggle. Well, I don't care about orientation. I do care that they actually go in. Come on. Come on. Go in. Oh my. Impossible game I'm playing, huh? Okay. The spares have been spared. And now we need our 1K resistors, which I don't. Uh-oh. Oh, that's empty. What are you? Are you our 1K resistors? 1102, right? Isn't that 1K? How many does it say I need? 17, even though you're usually wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 17. And okay, it's definitely these. Unless this is from another kit. I'm pretty sure 1102 means 1K. I really don't know for sure though. And dump. And I guess I should flip them while I can. That's good enough for now. What do I need to do? R50. Let's see, 50, 51 to 60. That's this. Where's 50? R50. Oh, right here. Okay. Really? What was that? That should just fall into place. As it did. How perfect. How perfect. And then these are actually in a bad spot, so I need to put my hand right there. Okay. No. Kind of reminds me of a arc reactor. Like my hands in the fucking resistors right now. Yep, here's one, two. Any more? No. Okay. I lost my spot. Where am I? Oh, not the itchy nose. Oh, come on. Okay. And let me do this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm saying sections, but I don't know exactly. Let's see. Alright, so R57, 59. I guess that's 58. Come on, bro. Oh, These are resistors for the LEDs, huh? That's how LEDs work. They need a resistor. Oh. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, come on. You bitch. Really? Huh? Just wants to play games. Damn thing just wants to play games. Oh my. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Alright. Drop. Good. R52. Drop. Not good. Almost good. You'll be good. R53. Come on, get off. Thank you. R64? 54. I was gonna say, I don't remember doing the 60 yet. Just 60 itself, I think. R55. I thought I already did R56, but guess not. Also, I was gonna do that in sections, but I also guess not. Totally forgot to do that. Okay. So let's do this. And get it on. Better desk one day. And good. Not good. Oop. It'll be good. There we go. Joints are good. Mm, better. It's already done, isn't it? Alright, cool. Went all around. And then I think it's these. 61, 2, 3, 4. No, 65. Excuse me. 5 or 6. Oh, 5. 5, 6. 5. think I need to start using less solder. I don't know. Okay, it doesn't need to be straight. I'd like it to be semi-straight. Yeah, there we go. It's 66, 67. Oh, I just said I needed to use less. Oh, I just made it worse. Oh, that's actually not terrible. See, microscopes are good. I am getting sticky from the flux. Just just a heads up. I'm a beginner, so this just might not work. Like just straight up. Just don't get your hopes up. Mine aren't. As I fling a capacitor across the room. Ugh. Dude, shit is so annoying. Ah, almost done though. Sort of. The littlest parts are almost done. Ooh, this is gonna be a glob. Nothing terrible. That was pretty good. Okay. This shit's coming together. What's next? Ooh, LEDs. D1 to D11. Guessing it would be these. Comes with 12. 2. Yeah, that's 12. Okay. D1, D2. It's great. Like, soldering's forgiving. Like, I can be a little messy, and it's just gonna go to the pad. It's just how it works. How many are there? 12? 12. 10 to 11 to 2. Where's, like, D1? Where is D1? Oh, right here, of course. In the middle. Look at these little LEDs. They're mine. Ah, of course it flung out. Okay. So, guess I'll start with T1. Is that even the right way? I can't tell. No, no, that's definitely the right way. Okay. Oh, shh. Positive, negative, though, aren't they? Yeah, I don't think I can just place that willy-nilly. That's why there's a green. But do you tell me which is positive? Does it not matter for LEDs? Maybe it doesn't. Guess I'll find out. Come on. You know, the story about LEDs is actually very interesting. There was this dude in Japan, I'm pretty sure, that like, so RGB, right? You need red, green, blue to make like all the colors. We couldn't get blue for the longest time, but this one dude figured it out, and it was just brushed under the table. Like he never got credit for it. The super sad story. I don't remember. It's a YouTube video, but it is crazy how much LEDs changed technology when you actually think about it. Like this little diode right here has actually changed quite a bit. I guess you could say the same thing about the transistor though. So, um, there. And the five. Yep. To me, I'm pretty sure, like, I don't know, I'm pretty sure diodes and LEDs are pos neg, but there's nothing on this that's telling me positive, negative, so I guess I'm just hoping for the best. Oh, come on. Get off the tweezies. Aha, thanks, spitballing, and welcome to the stream. Look on the bottom of the LED. The LEDs show, like, I'm pretty sure the green's the positive, but there's nothing on the board that's telling me positive or negative. Yeah, oh, shoot. Where did that go? Oh, that just flew. Oh, man. Yeah, we'll see when it turns on, I guess. that there. Is this the one thing they didn't give extras of? Probably is. Oh wait. Okay, you're actually chilling. It's like a weird arrow on the bottom. On the board or on... Cause I do see the arrow on the bottom of the LEDs. I just wasn't seeing anything on the board that tells me positive or negative. I guess I'd rather not redo it all, but... Sorry, I'm just thinking, trying to think if there's... Okay, first off, where did that LED go that flew? Is it just gone? I guess it's just gone. That's sad. I don't think... Did it come with an extra? Oh, it did. It came with 2 extras, apparently. It won't send your... I mean, it's not showing your link in the chat, but I'm just gonna try it, honestly. And you know what? Hang on. I forgot that they gave a schematic. Let me look at the schematic. Okay, so I guess that doesn't really help me. I don't know. That doesn't... Does this make sense? Like, coming from the resistor on negative out to positive, but how do I see that on the board? So am I supposed to, like, look at the lines? Hmm. Oh, this picture of it complete. Of course, it's terrible quality. Can't see it. Uh, hmm. Yeah, screw it. I'll just do it. If it doesn't work, I'll flip them because I did do them all the same orientation at least. Is that even... I can't tell. Okay, that's definitely on. But, there we go. There we go. It's actually crazy how much a solder tip makes a difference, but I guess, of course, when it's stuff this small. Sorry for the quietness, I'm just trying to concentrate here. Okay, that's all good. So, okay. Blue LED 4. Oh, hello D1. Oops. How could I almost forget you? Alright. Blue LEDs. Ah. Oh, wait. Did I do it right? Okay, so what I think, one, I think I got it right, but we'll see when I turn it on. But I think this thick part means positive, this thin part means negative, green's positive, so we should be good. Um, D16 to D19 is where the blue goes, which is all around. Okay. D16. D17. Oh, hand cramp. Oh, God. Oh my God. I just found the old LED. D19. Why won't you come off? There you go. Arrow is positive. Oh, so it's got to be flipped, probably. Ah, shit. If the schematic says it goes from resistor to LED, pretty sure the resistor should go to negative, not positive. Uh, Unless that's could be 5-volt line. Yeah, who knows? You'll only know when we turn it on. Come on. Flip. Oh my God. And D17. And a D18. Oh, I guess that was D19. That's the right way. That's the right way. Gotta get this last little one. The flip, of course. Wait. Wait. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. Yeah, don't put your solder iron right on an LED. Oops. Alright, so that's all the LEDs, I believe. Next up, Q1 to Q4. Triode. SOT23. How many? 4. Triode has 3. Oh, then the diodes, these. The Okay. Right. Yeah, they're just terrible to open. Okay, these go in Q1 to Q4, which is on the back. Uh, I see them now. Okay, so let's dump these out. And we've got Q. See, for this I want to use hot air, but I also don't know if it's gonna just go everywhere. Let's see if this works, I guess. I should test it. Alright, Mr. Triode. Okay. Let's triode again. Try it out again. Got dad jokes at 23. Ba, ba, ba. Let's see if we can make anything of this. Or if this would be... Oh, that worked. That worked. Oh, worked too much. That's good. It's on, right? It's on. Okay. Oh, that wasn't cool. Come on. Dude, why is this so anal? Okay. So close to being done. Oh, well, thanks if Dawn, maybe you're here still. I just realized there's no one left. Guess I'm pretty boring. Ah, come on. That was pretty clean. Not gonna lie. Proud of that one. Alright, all the pins are connected. Even if it's crooked, it's okay. Just have to accept that. One pin on, second pin on, third pin on. Okay. And then the diodes go where? D12 to D15. And I've never used a diode like this. So I don't know which side's positive, but probably the colorful side. Come on, open up. Open up, little slut. Ah, come on. Okay. So, which side's positive, which side's negative? That's the question of the day, isn't it? Damn, how are you supposed to know? Probably the one with the mark, huh? It's gotta be the side with the mark. Alright, let's get away. Yep. Come on. That's not what I wanted. Jesus Christ. Why is this being like this? Tip messed up or something? Dude, actually, what the fuck? I'm gonna lose it, dog. Why is this happening? Alright. Now, how the hell do I put this in? It just kind of like bloop. I need to make sure that that's right. Give me a sec while I look that up. SMD diode positive. A bar. I would say that's a bar. Okay. Alrighty. Let's get the rest out. Ah! Kind of think I need to add some solder here. Get off. Oh yeah, I don't know why I've didn't think about flux this whole time, actually. Alright, I'm just adding solder to that instead of dealing with the back and forth. Yeah, what's that? Come on, dog. Um, oh, motherfucker! I just grabbed my solder iron. Oh my god. Yeah, that's white skin. Ah, Jesus Christ. Fuck me. Yeah, that's gonna leave a nasty burn. God damn it, dude. Oh, that hurts like a bitch. Really? Can you fuck off? Why are you not going on? My hand is in so much pain right now. Damn, my skin's actually white. That's crazy. Interesting. Sorry, I just had to look. Alright, diodes. God, my finger, dude. Alright. Sorry for going quiet. Just I'm in pain from burning myself. I can't believe I just grabbed my soldering iron like that, dude. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Hey, stop being a little bitch. R48 and 61 to 64. Okay. Come on. These are so hard to get out, man. Alright. Let's not grab the soldering iron this time. Is that one done already? Yeah. Alright. There we go. We're almost done. We got like Let's see, we need R49, which is this resistor. As I say without showing anything, but just a sec. Trying to get it out of the damn packaging. Alright. And then you go where? R49. Easy enough? Come on. I flipped it, so I have to flip it back over. I actually almost just dropped that exactly where it needed to be. Perfect. Okay, and then now we need C27, C28. Oh wait. No. It says chip resistor. It's not a resistor. Come on. It's like right there. So frustrating. There we go. Drop the soldering iron again, but this time I didn't touch it. Coolio. That's all done. And then now we do the chips. I believe it's just these three, right? Oh, it's two. Great. So not gonna be able to see that, huh? Oh, there we go. What are you? Oh, 555 timer. That'll be easy. I say 555? I think it does. NE555. And let me make sure this is the same, because I don't know why they gave me two. Okay, they did give me two. Alright. So, this one is indeed probably going to be hot air. So let me get that ready. However, let's get this all set. Should I add a flux? That's okay. Living on the edge, right? And let's see what happens. Please don't blow other stuff away. I'm doing circles so that it hopefully doesn't blow all this other stuff away. It looks like we are melting. Okay, that chip is in. Chip is in. Let's go. Um, let's see. All right. Is that all good? Yeah, looks all good. And now let's prep this bad boy. Ooh. Oh no. Actually, that should be okay. They should go onto their respective pads. God damn it. Alright. And then let's just see. Let's just see how this does. That's good. I think we're good. Um, I haven't figured out how I'm gonna get power to it yet. Oh, I have a power supply right here. So let me do something real quick. We get little terminals out. Show you what I'm doing. Okay. And now I need the soldering iron, of course, that I turned off. Let's get some solder. Ooh, I probably don't want this tip. That's okay. Wait, is solder? It sure is. Well, is this? No. This is definitely janky, but it'll work. Well, assuming it actually powers on. Uh, Let me get some wire real quick. I had some. Oh, okay. Yeah, perfect. So, moment of truth, folks. Moment of truth. Let's see if this worked. Let us see if this worked. All right. Fingers crossed, but I really have terrible luck with this kind of stuff. So I'm not too sure. Negative. I need to get a power cable for my power supply, unless I have one right here. No? Yes? Maybe so. No, but you have one here that you can use for now. Okay. There's actually 8 people here. Just stay with me. Stay with me. Let's see if this worked. It's been like 2 hours now putting this thing together. All right, it needs 3 to 12 volts. I'm gonna give it a solid 5. Go. V fine, V coarse. V coarse. Alright, we got 5 volts. Let's see. Let's see. Oh! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It works. Very cool. Very cool. Awesome. So I guess this is what it is. Huh. So I did get the LEDs right. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. What's next? What's my next kit? I shouldn't keep going because I got work tomorrow, but now that that worked, oh, having too much fun. Too much fun. Just give me a sec while I get the next kit. It's a big one, so oh wait, actually this is a small one. Yeah, but I don't think that actually does anything. Hmm. All right, here we go. So now that it's on, should I set it to 30 volts and see what happens? You know what, as a good send off, I think I just might because that's what I like to do. I like to blow electronics up. So let's see what goes first. So I'm at 5 volts now. And let me just slowly up it. Did it actually get faster? Slower? Oh. Wait. No? No, no, no. That's cool. Oh, 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 oh. I just barely went above 12. That's crazy. That smells terrible. Oh, man. I actually didn't think it was gonna blow that quick, but I actually just spent 2 hours to blow it up essentially. Oh, that was fun. Hello,